Dear students, in previous video we have learnt addition and subtraction of matrices. In this video we are going to talk about and we are going to learn multiplication of matrices. Before starting this video, I would like to suggest you that whenever you are doing multiplication of matrices, you have to be very careful. A single mistake will spoil all the hard work. First of all, multiplication consumes little time, and if you commit a one mistake, your all time and all efforts will go waste. Therefore, while doing multiplication, be careful and pay total attention. Suppose we have a matrix A equals to A, B, C and matrix B equals to 1, 2, 3. Now we need to multiply A into B, product of matrix A and B. So first of all, write it like this. Here I am going to give you logic of multiplication. 1, 2, 3. So what you have to do? You have to multiply. A is multiplied to 1, B is multiplied to 2, and C will get multiplied to 3. That is A into 1, and here the symbol plus will come, plus B into 2 plus C into 3. This is what the result of multiplication of A into B. For example, suppose A equals to 4, 5, 1 and B equals to 3, 2, 4. A into B. Then matrix, first matrix A multiplied to the second matrix 3, 2, 4. You are not writing any symbol here. If you don't write any symbol, it is understood that is multiplication. Now after this is equals to matrix 4 into 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 1 into 4, that is equals to 12 plus 10 plus 4 equals to 26. So product of A into B is a matrix 26. It is a single element. Suppose if you wish to find BA, then write down B first here, multiply to A, that is A, B, C. This is equals to, first of all, what you do? Write down 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then what is the first element here? A. So write down into A, into A, into A. After that, what is the second element? B. So into B, into B, into B. Then what is the third element? C. So into C, into C, into C. This is the result of B into A. Let us take one example. Here is the next example. A is given, B is given. We need to find out AB and BA. Solution. So to find AB, so AB equals to 1, comma is not allowed, 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 2, 1 equals to 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equals to 3 plus 4 plus 3 equals to 10. So this is the answer of A into B. Now we'll find out BA. BA nothing but 3, 2, 1 multiply to 1, 2, 3. Now what you do? You write down 3, 2, 1, 3 times. Then after that, what is here? First element 1. So write here 1, 1 and 1. What is your second element? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. What is the third element? 3. So write down 3, 3 and 3. So BA equals to 3, 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 9, 6, 3. This is the way we get the BA. BA is the result of product of B and A, and it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Example 2. Here are the two matrices. Left side is 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 by 3, and the second one is the 3 rows and 1 column. We need to multiply them. So A, B, C, D, E, F multiply to 1, 2, 3 equals to A into 1 plus B into 2 plus C into 3 D into 1 plus E into 2 plus F into 3. Let us take one practical example. Suppose here 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4 multiplied by 6, 1, 2. Then how to multiply them? 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2. After that 1 into 6, 2 into 1 plus 4 into 2. This is equals to 12 plus 3 plus 8. 6 plus 2 plus 8 equals to how much? 23 and 16. Therefore, when these two matrices are multiplied, the result is the 2 rows and 1 column, 2 by 1 matrix we got here. Here we are given 3 matrices. All the 3 are different. We have to find A into B into C. So first we'll multiply A into B. So we got A here and B here. So what you do now? You write the 1, 0. Here are the, in matrix B there are the 3 columns. Therefore write down 1, 0, 2, 2, 3 times. 1, 0, 2, 2, 3 times. 1, 0, 2, 2. We have written 3 times. Now 1 will multiply to 3 and plus 0 will multiply to 5. And 2 will multiply to 3 plus 2 will multiply to 5. After that second column 4, 1. So 1 will multiply to 4 plus 0 will multiply to 1. And 2 will multiply to 4 plus 2 will multiply to 1. Now third column, the third column is 2, 1. So 1 will multiply to 2 plus 0 will multiply to 1. And 2 will multiply to 2 plus 2 will multiply to 1. After that the job is left of simplification. 3 plus 0, 6 plus 10, 4 plus 0, 8 plus 2 and 2 plus 0 and 4 plus 2. This is equals to 3, 4, 2, 16, 10 and 6. Therefore A into B equals to 3, 4, 2, 16, 10, 6. This is the result of AB. Now we need to multiply this AB with C. We are having AB. AB equals to matrix 3, 4, 2, 16, 10 and 6. So ABC. ABC nothing but AB, that is 3, 4, 2, 16, 10, 6 will multiply to C, that is 1, 0, 2, 1, 5, 3. There are the two columns in matrix C. So write 3, 4, 2 two times. 16, 10, 6. 3, 4, 2. 16, 10, 6. Write it twice. Then after that, what are the first column? 1, 2, 5. 1, then 2, then 5. The first column will multiply to first row of the LHS. Similarly, 16, 1 plus 10 into 2 plus 6 into 5. After that, the same procedure for the second column. What is the second column? 0, 1, 3. So 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Then 16 into 0 plus 10 into 1 plus 6 into 3. This is equals to 3 plus 8 plus 10, 16 plus 20 plus 30, 0 plus 4 plus 6, 0 plus 10 plus 18. Therefore, ABC equals to 21 and 66, 10 and 28. This is required result of ABC. Till now, we have seen multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 or 2 by 1 or 3 by 2. But we have not seen the multiplication of 3 by 3. In the next example, I am going to solve multiplication of 3 by 3 matrices. In the next example, we have the matrix A, that is 3 by 3, matrix B 3 by 3. We need to find product of A and B. So we have written A and B here, and we do observe in matrix B there are 3 columns. Therefore, matrix A shall be written 3 times as it is. Here we have written matrix A 3 times as it is. Now, first column of the matrix B is 3. So write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 plus plus and plus. Now below 3 is 2. Here is a 2. So now into 2 into 2 into 2 plus plus plus. Now below 2 there is a 0. 4 into 0, 1 into 0, 1 into 0. Now job of the first column is over. Now first element of the column 2 is 1. So 2 into 1 into 1 into 1 plus plus plus. Now second element of column 2 is 1. So into 1 into 1 into 1 plus plus plus. Now third element of the column 2 is 5. Therefore into 5 into 5 into 5. Now job of column 2 is over. Now we will use column 3 elements. First element of column 3 is 5. So into 5, 1 into 5 plus plus plus. This is the logic. By using this logic, you can easily do multiplication of two matrices of 3 by 3 order. Now, third element of column 3 is 2. Therefore, 4 into 2, 1 into 2 and 1 into 2. After that, next step, simplifying, that is a 6 plus 2 plus 0. Simplifying each part of this multiplication, 3 plus 4 plus 0, 3 plus 0 plus 0, 2 plus 1 plus 20, 1 plus 2 plus 5, 1 plus 0 plus 5, 10 plus 0 plus 8, 5 plus 0 plus 2, 5 plus 0 plus 2. Therefore, AB equals to 8, 7, 3, 23, 8, 6, 18, 7, 7. This is the result of multiplication of 3 by 3 matrices, and we got the result AB equals to 8, 23, 18, 7, 8, 7, 3, 6, 7. Dear students, in this video, we have learned how to multiply the matrices of different orders. In next video, I shall be collectively doing problems based upon addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. Wish you good luck, all the best. Meet you with another video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Good luck.